Hi students, today I am going to take a very special lecture on Aristotle, and the topic which is concerned is views on the parts of tragedy. This topic is always very integral, very important. A great opportunity, students. Just download the OSN Academy application from the Google Play Store, where you will get all the treasure in the field of English literature. And what you will get, students? You will get the video classes, the online classes, the test series, the PDFs, and what not at a single destination, and that is OSN Academy. With an experience of 24 years of teaching English literature on a pan-India level, this application is especially made for you, for all the verticals of English literature, home science, commerce, management, and HR. So I'm sure, students, you will love to be a part of OSN Academy. Thank you. Important for all your examinations, and the concept regarding the views on the parts of tragedy has to be taken very properly by your students. So let us start that Aristotle recognizes 6 and only 6 significant parts of tragedy. 6. Now, in order of importance, you have to note it down that what are those most important parts of tragedy: number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. According to its importance, I will tell you. So the most important significant part of tragedy, according to Aristotle, is plot. Number 2, students, is character. Number 3, students, is thought. Number 4 is diction. शब्द इसको कहते हैं, शब्द, choice of words को कहते हैं diction. Number 5 is melody, and last but not least is the spectacle. Spectacle. Now, I will also tell you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 इनका जो दूसरा नाम है वो क्या है. सो प्लॉट को क्या कहते हैं? म्यूथोस. कैरेक्टर को क्या कहते हैं? इथोस. थॉट को कहते हैं डायनिया. डिक्शन को कहते हैं लेक्सिस. मेलेडी को कहते हैं मेलोस, MELOS. एंड स्पेक्टिकल को आंख से है तो वो बना है ऑप्सिस. जैसे आंख के बीमारी को डॉक्टर को क्या कहते हैं? ऑप्थेमोलॉजिस्ट. ऑप्थेमोलॉजी, स्पेक्टिकल, उसी से बना है ऑप्सिस. So these are in line with the significant, with the importance, that the most important and the least important. Fine. And these are produced by the basic principles of imitation, manner, means, and even object. Now, it is also very important after this to understand in detail, because without the detail it is of least importance. तो पहला क्या बताया था मैंने? प्लॉट. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, एरिस्टोटल के लिए, टू एरिस्टोटल, द प्लॉट, the structure of the action is taken to be very important, as we have already discussed. And since tragedy is the imitation of an action, tragedy क्या है स्टूडेंट्स? ये एक imitation है. किस चीज का? एक action का. Since tragedy is the imitation of an action, the action is the imitation. That is the soul of the tragedy. Aristotle says that it is possible to have a tragedy without characterization. एरिस्टोटल का ऐसा कहना है कि ये तो पॉसिबल है कि एक ट्रेजेडी हो सकती है विदाउट कैरेक्टराइजेशन, बट विदाउट प्लॉट देयर कैन बी नो ट्रेजेडी. So such is the importance of the plot. And the story or the plot, the story oblique मैं लिख देता हूं यहां पे story or the plot, it must be one. It must be one. इसका मतलब होता है बच्चों there must be unity of plot. There must be unity of plot. And this is the only kind of unity जो Aristotle को चाहिए. This is the only kind of unity which Aristotle actually requires. But this he insists on emphatically always. And it is also must that it must be a real unity which is not achieved as some people think of by merely being the story of one person. The unity must be such that if any one incident is deleted, मतलब यूनिटी इस प्रकार की होनी चाहिए, मान लीजिए कि अगर कोई यहाँ पे प्लॉट्स हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल these are the plots. So my making you understand is that the unity must be such that if any one incident is deleted, सपोज करिए मैंने ये वाला इंसिडेंट डिलीट कर दिया, सपोज दिस इंसिडेंट इज डिलीटेड और इसको डिस्प्लेस कर दिया हियर एंड देयर, द होल प्ले इज डिसलोकेटेड. इन अदर वर्ड्स द यूनिटी मस्ट एक्चुअली बी ऑर्गेनिक with a definite place, with a definite function for every part and every part in its place, and the connection between them must be inevitable, or at least we can say probable. And this connection should not be too obvious beforehand, but there should be an element of surprise. उसके अंदर एक element of surprise होना चाहिए, but the design must be seen clearly after the event. Fine. So this is what is important for you to understand. And as for the length of the story, मान लीजिए स्टोरी की लेंथ इतनी है यहां से लेके यहां तक. As far as the length of the story, it must be short enough to be grasped. इतनी voluminous नहीं होनी चाहिए कि समझ में ना आए. It should be short so that we can grasp the story and we can remember it easily as a whole, as an organic whole. And it must be long enough to allow for the necessary changes of fortune in accordance with what is probable or what is inevitable within those limits. And the longer it is better. Means that the entire plot, the entire organization, the entire discipline of the plot, of the location of as an entirety must be so much so that it cannot be forgotten, it may be remembered also, and it should have that length where the necessary changes of fortune may also happen, something which is inevitable. ऐसा नहीं कि आपने बहुत छोटा बना दिया उसके अंदर कुछ मैनेज ही नहीं हो रहा है. So that is called the importance of plot, which I have tried to explain you here in this lecture. First is the plot. Fine. It is of students utmost importance. Now, after this, जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट था मैंने पढ़ा दिया. अब एक वर्ड आता है जिसका नाम है रिवर्सल, जिसको कहते हैं PERIPETIA, पेरिपीशिया, रिवर्सल. इसी का नाम है परिपेशिया, इसका नाम है रिवर्सल. अब समझिएगा दैट द इवेंट्स must be such which may arouse pity, which may arouse pity, fear, and the change of fortune, जब किस्मत बदलती है, preferably from good fortune, जब हमारी किस्मत बदलती है from good fortune to bad, I'm sure you must be able to understand what is reversal, what is peripecia, that the events written, given, shown must be such which may arouse pity, which may arouse fear, and the change of fortune, preferably from good fortune to bad. While it must be a single story, यद्यपि कि ये बात सच है कि एक सिंगल स्टोरी होनी चाहिए, yet the structure of the plot may be single or may be complex. इसको हिंदी में मैं ऐसे समझा रहा हूं आपको कि यद्यपि कि प्लॉट की जो स्टोरी है वो सिंगल होती है, लेकिन जो स्ट्रक्चर का, जो प्लॉट का स्ट्रक्चर है वो सिंपल भी हो सकता है और वो कॉम्प्लेक्स भी हो सकता है. अगर कॉम्प्लेक्स होगा मीन्स कि इफ द लेटर वाला होगा जो कॉम्प्लेक्स है, इट इज प्रेफरेबल एंड इट मीन्स दैट द चेंज ऑफ फॉर्च्यून इज अकम्पनीड बाय रिवर्सल. मतलब अगर कॉम्प्लेक्स प्लॉट नहीं होगा तो फिर कैसे रिवर्सल होगा बाद में. सो जो ये है रिवर्सल वाला जो प्लान है जिसको हम पेरिपीशिया कहते हैं, इसमें जो प्लॉट होगा दैट शुड बी कॉम्प्लेक्स सो दैट द चेंज ऑफ फॉर्च्यून इज अकम्पनीड बाय द रिवर्सल और द पेरिपीशिया एंड इवन रिकग्निशन, जिसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, एनागोरोसिस. फाइन. So here Aristotle gives an example of peripecia, the scene with the messenger from क्या नाम था उसका, Corinth, in the Oedipus Tyrannus. उसमें क्या था कि Oedipus जो है he had fled Corinth because of an oracle that he would slay his father and marry his mother. Even when he hears of the death of the king of Corinth, he refuses to return for the fear that the second part of the oracle might still come true. So there have been many examples of reversal and peripecia in different places where we can notice these things. Fine, students. Now, the next important thing is in detail, that is recognition anagorasis. Recognition is in its most common form is the recognition of, ये किसका recognition की बात करते हैं, recognition of persons. Even we can say the discovery of a bond, and even we can say it is something like of kinship, dosti, with someone thought to be an enemy, जिसको आप हमेशा दुश्मन समझते थे, while one is about to injure or has injured. That recognition कि हमें पता चले अरे ये तो हमारा दोस्त निकला, ये तो हमारा दुश्मन था लेकिन दोस्त निकला. This is called the recognition. पहचान लेते हैं हम due to the plot structure. So Aristotle himself has pointed out at many places that the term is capable of a very, at a broader application. Fine. So ये जो wider sense है students, ये बहुत important है, and the best type of plot is complex in the sense that it is complexed by recognition. आपने देखा होगा बहुत सारी movies में कि the entire movie plot is made very complex and a time comes when you recognize. That is called anagorasis. So it is complicated by recognition and even peripecia. And these both terminologies, these both things should arise directly out of the action. So this is important, students. Fine. Now, the third important point which I want to teach you here is the tragic character. Now,